Finetec palettes are some of the best metallic inks for calligraphy, as they are heavily pigmented and show up on both light and dark paper. There's also a huge range of shades to choose from. It is essentially a watercolour palette, and you need to activate it with a brush and water, which takes a little longer than dip inks. Using a small paintbrush, all you need to do is add a few drops of water to the palette and gently blend it in. Keep adding water little by little until your ink is the consistency of single cream. Then brush the pigment onto the nib, making sure to cover the vent hole, and shake off any excess to prevent blobbing on the page. You will need to add more water to the palette as you write to keep the ink viscosity as you want it. If you find the ink is too wet, just let some of the water evaporate before trying again. If it is too thick, then just add a little more water.